mwetekatekere okwisha kwa Bakama Bensi. Bakama Bensi Batsyamukire. Bakama Bensi, they are everywhere. Bakama Bensi naruba malaika barahanga. There is a word we use, but it takes time to. Other people, it doesn't make sense to them, to their ear, to their understanding. But let me make it clear, such everyone to understand from today. Kumba muri yahamfu nari abantu nibatwarwa nibagenda nibahumura. There is a word people use ngu enstietu turi abagenyi. Eche kintu, it doesn't make sense to those people who call themselves born again, nari Christian, nari Muslim, those gamadini nk'uko muri gamanya. If you speak the word Bakama Bensi, it doesn't sound well. Oshanga they don't value it. Ticha taking their attention and their understanding. Kwonka nindeba ngwecho lack of wisdom, lack of knowledge, maybe lack of communication or language. Abukuba abantu kubatahira mu salvation. They live their culture. They think salvation is to abandon your culture. But salvation is not all to leave your culture. Salvation is all to leave the devil, otahuman garhanga. But you remain with your culture. Culture is not to go shrine. Culture is not prostitution. Culture is not about theft. Culture, no. Culture is your language. Culture is your inner man. Culture is your culture yawe. Abukuba kukuzomo salvation, you can't abandon your language, you can't abandon your country, you can't abandon your color, you can't abandon all because of salvation. No. No zomo salvation, ogumori umuntu, ogumori human being, ogumori black or brown, oguma no manyuti ni ndugum state age, oguma no manyuti my nation is such and so ekikumanyisa salvation no kujangu ryo mu kibi ozo mu kirundi konka kurugo mu kibi tukujangu no kurugo mu culture. If it's salvation no kujangu nergo no rugo mu culture, tinkaboire nindeba nkabanyankore no mwemera bakabajuga nkenti 10 20 30 nkarebera boshiki banyu no bagendera bushabo jo banyu no bagira because of salvation. Salvation, if salvation is to change our culture, we should leave everything ebyabayire beroho nibigenda omuisho kandi bituri kureba ngo it is our pride. You can't go to salvation and you leave your pride. Hatuwori nkomunyankore nari omuwestana okashanga ngo tubakwata nkanjuga no bakagitowanya. That means you don't have pride. So washanga ngo uri omunyankore numugenda muzanama university but you oshanga no duti nyona antarire hacho kuriya cyange nk'ekitoke kaloso such a kind uhura utarije. That is your pride, that is your culture. So tukubasa kongera mu salvation ni kwihari ibi byona